This is the Tutoring Business in a Box Ultimate Bundle for products in one download. The Startup Playbook and Parent Forms, a rate planner and scheduler app, a tax-ready bookkeeping spreadsheet, and an ADHD Tutor Command Center. Let me give you a quick tour of everything inside. The foundation of the bundle is the Tutoring Business in a Box, and at its heart is this operations playbook. It's the complete operating system for a profitable K-12 tutoring business, from a first parent inquiry to renewing lesson blocks to building the year-round recurring revenue that most tutors never quite reach. You also get the Parent and Student Forms pack, the paperwork a tutoring business actually runs on, inquiry intake forms, tutoring agreements, and parent communication templates, so you look professional from the very first message a parent sends you. And a pricing guide helps you answer the question every tutor wrestles with: what to charge. Instead of pricing on nerves and undercharging, you set a rate on purpose, by subject and by format, that reflects what you're actually worth. Next, the Tutor Rate Planner and Scheduler app. It opens in any browser, no install and no subscription, and it runs your whole teaching business on one screen. Your active students, your weekly hours, this month's income, and any invoices still unpaid. These tiles are your business at a glance. In this sample, 11 active students, 15 hours a week against a 25-hour capacity, and a $70 average rate. It tracks your week, your revenue by subject, and your student mix automatically. And this is the app's smartest piece, the rate engine. You set your base rate, pick the subject, the format, and the prep depth, and it recommends a per-student price and shows its work, so you can see exactly why an AP Calculus student in person is worth more than a beginner online. The third product is the Tutoring Bookkeeping Spreadsheet for Excel and Google Sheets, and it's a bundle exclusive. This is its overview, and it fills itself in from your logged sessions, your income, your expenses, your net profit, and your margin, all calculated for you. And it tracks the number self-employed tutors always forget, the tax you should set aside from what you earn, so a quarterly tax bill never catches you by surprise. It all flows from one place, the sessions and income log. You put in each session, the student, the subject, the hours and the rate, and the monthly totals. The dashboard and the taxes all update themselves. This is the only tab you really type in. And every spreadsheet in the bundle ships in 3 looks: colorful, light, and dark. Same formulas underneath, so you just work the way your eyes like it, at the kitchen table or late at night. The bundle's exclusive fourth product is the ADHD Tutor Command Center, a 20-tab planner built for busy brains. This is the Today screen, and everything on it pulls from the other tabs, so your whole teaching week lands on one calm page instead of scattered sticky notes. At the top, only what matters today: your sessions on the calendar, your next session time, the prep you owe, and a gentle top 3. So on a scattered day, you always know the next right move before a student logs on. Below that, your whole week on one screen: sessions booked and taught, invoices awaiting payment, parent follow-ups that are due, and your prep list. And it's kind about it, reminding you that a canceled session is not a crisis. Log it, breathe, and begin again. So here's how it fits together. Use the playbook and forms to start out and book your first students. Use the app to set your rates and run your schedule. Keep tax-ready books in the spreadsheet and run your week from the command center. Everything works in Excel, Google Sheets, and any browser. And that's the whole Tutoring Ultimate Bundle. For products, 50 files, 1 download, together for less than they'd cost apart. It's a one-time purchase, yours forever, and you'll find it on Etsy from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tutoring business.